Hello. So in this session we are going to see about some views. So let's start with the list view. I think we have already get through the web view. So now what I'm going to do is we are going to create a list view. List. So we have a interface in Java Util called as list. It could be generated with string or any classes. So list is a data structure that can hold a lot of data, not in a contiguous way like array. So initially I want a list view, a view where I'm going to display the stuffs. Go to composite and place it here. Here we go, save it and inflate it. Okay, so this is an inflation process. Okay, so I'm going to place some list elements. Okay, so what I'm going to do is next I'm going to add the items to this list element. So I need to create the object linker list, my list dot add. Let me add little fruits, apple, mango, okay. So I've added something. Now I'm creating an adapter. So adapter is something that helps you to place the elements without any leakage. So manager.this and resource. Here coach I'm going to use some default resource which is already present in Android. In the next step we'll do some customization. So android dot r dot layout dot simple list item 1, and here my resource id is my list view dot set adapter, my adapter. That's it. So here we go with a list view. So it's getting uploaded and getting installed. So I should get a list view application. Okay, it's right up here somewhere. It's right here. Click it. I'll get a list view with apple, mango and banana. So these are the list items. So what I'm going to do is whenever I click, I would like to know its position. Yeah, it starts with 0, 1 and 2. So to get the position, I'm setting that list view dot set on item click listener. I'm once again creating an anonymous class. So this is going to be the anonymous class. I'm implementing all the abstract methods. So here this is the position. So I'm going to toast the element. So toast dot make text. So here I go, my list dot get position super, and I'm going to show it toast dot length long dot show. So I'm going to run it again. So whenever I click element, it's going to show me the what is the element that I have selected. Okay, it's up here. Okay, so when I click on this, I get apple. When I click on this, I get mango. So this is how I can get the items, whatever I want from these things. Yep. So I got a list view. What's my next thing is, I'm going to show a demo on uh, what customizing the list view. I'm going to customize this list view. All the items is every text view. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to create a new layout for that. Android XML file only. So let me give it as custom text view finish. So here coach, I'm going to give a color that, and hash. I've given some color, some RGB color combination. So here, instead of this, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to change it to my custom layout. Dot layout dot custom. Okay, right click, run as Android application. Okay, it's ready. So here I got all the colors as red. So just like this, whatever customization we want, we can able to perform it on the list view. So the next topic which we are going to see is the autocomplete text view. I mean edit text. So fine. What I'm going to do is, I am going to remove this. Yes. Go to text fill and pick this autocomplete text view. Save it. Inflate it. So I'm doing the inflation. So to erase the content, so once again our list comes to the picture. So I'm going to pass the same data. which we have passed in the last list. The thing here is I'm going to get some autocompletes. uh, okay. Once again the array adapter. Okay. Okay. And atv dot set threshold, let me give it as 1. Whenever I enter a one character, it will show me the thing. Okay. Okay. So this app will come to the picture. So I'll get a text view which has the autocomplete feature. So see, whenever I type a character, it's showing me some suggestion. So just like that. So whatever I want, I can choose this. So this is how this autocomplete text view works. So next one is we'll do the things with spinner, making a drop down list. Okay, now I'm going to drag a spinner. Save it. Okay, spinner dot set adapter, my adapter, finish. So this is for the on item selected listener. Okay. Okay, I'm going to run this up. Okay, let's check for the spinner over here. So in this drop down, whenever I change event or something, whatever I change, that thing will be toasted up. Yeah. So this is something called spinner. Let's take a quick through of what we have seen or not something like that. Okay, let's see the switch. Okay, this is a switch. I'm going to use this switch. So this requires API level 14. So I need to go to the manifest.xml and change this level to API level 14 so that my switch works very fine for me. Okay. So find view by id r.id dot. So I'm going to toss the message there. Okay, it's ready. So spinner. So the switch is false now. Oh, that was a small thing. I just need to change it. On or kuch. I'll change to off. So when I turn on the switch, it's turning off, and in this case, so it's off, right? So this is how we are configuring a switch in Android. Okay, so we'll check for the other views. We have seen the web view already, and we got a nice view for phone numbers, passwords, addresses, our time, date, and we got a lot of layers: grid layout, linear layout, frame layout. And when you come to composite, we have a list view which you've just seen, and grid view or the scroll view. It is used, it's useful whenever you would like to do design a page that will get expanded or something like that. Okay, so we have used this image view just to place an image, and or which we can also use the image button if you want some graphically designed button or something like that. Or you would like to have a time picker, yeah, we can have a time picker. We'll place time picker. We want a date picker, we'll keep the date picker. This is not good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a scroll view. So the scroll view is here. Okay, this scroll view must be added just like this. So go to the scroll view, cut it. That should be the topmost view. Scroll view. You should do all these actions so that all your things will get updated. So it goes to the bottom. So I find a scroll view with a switch, a thing, as well a date picker. So fill parent works, should work. Okay, let's check for the output. I'm sure we'll get a aligned output, I guess. So here we go with a drop down with a time picker, also with a calendar called date picker. So all these things collectively placed in a view. So it's a little clumsy because we are a lot of views in it. So this could be alternated if you do as a project, if you take some lot of time for designing, and this could be properly aligned with the screens. And you can also check the screen sizes here. Go here and preview all screens. You can check the preview in all variety of screens. See, you get the preview for all many different screens, for different screen size, different pixelation. You can see the thing. Yeah, so you could be able to cancel it by this. I can able to check the orientation by this is the landscape orientation, and we can tilt this emulator by control F. Control F11. So this changes the orientation of the window or your emulator or your mobile phone. Yeah, so by this you can able to check the orientation. So we'll continue with some interesting media stuffs and shared preferences in the next upcoming chapter. Thank you.